Welcome to our learning to cook pizza journey. Today we're using the Ooni Koda and I'm going to be making some garlic bread. I've got my garlic butter just melting in the heat from the front of the oven. And touch the bowl and everything, but it's just nice because it's sort of just gently melting your butter. It's about that far. So this oven's been on for about 10 minutes now and it's up. The weather outside definitely does affect the time this oven takes to warm up. I've made the garlic bread and I am now going to put it into the oven, but I just want to check the temperature, but I think it's spot on. I'm just going to turn it down a little bit as I normally do. Don't normally have it on full, just a little bit less. In it goes. I've got far too much. Do I ever learn? Far too much flour on my peel. I don't think I learned. Look at it, it's all burning off. Ugh. See, that's what happens when you put too much flour on your peel and forget to take it off. Garlic bread. Let's give it a try. So I put rosemary, chopped the rosemary in with some butter, melted it, but chopped up fresh garlic, and just mixed it all together, and then let it melt outside the Ooni Koda. And the rosemary flavour is fresh from the garden, and it's really strong, really lovely. And I just added some mature cheddar cheese on top. I know things were burning up in there, but that was the fat coming from the butter burning up in there. Didn't matter, just gave it that extra I really love garlic bread. Such a strong taste of the rosemary, really lovely. Just gonna give that a bit of bite. The cheddar cheese works really lovely on here too. Very nice garlic bread.